Welcome to today's news.
Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation Limited has invited application for various general manager posts to fill up 4 vacancies. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https://kpeserb.kerala.gov.in. Scale of pay as fixed by government from time to time. Qualification: B.Tech or BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering or Electronics, Computer Science, Information Technology from a recognized university. The registration process begins on 29 October 2024. The last day to apply is November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation Limited. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.